Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khair Alban bin Syarugi and I am from class 6 at BME. Today, I would like to present about airline crisis due to high landing fees and refund to customers. Okay, firstly, introduction. The COVID-19 pandemic resulted in a significant decline in demand of air transport. According to ICAO, total revenue for airline in 2021 is approximately at USD 324 billion losses. Next, the current issue. With the travel bans and border closure, airlines could not make any profit and they needed to pay a lot of money, such as refunds and landing fees for aircraft. For example, Air Asia. Total net loss due to refund in 2021 is 2.23 billion for the first 9 months only. Not only that, airline also need to pay fee to land at airport and use facility available at there, such as parking fees, maintenance fees, and so on. Fees vary greatly between airports and take into account for different factors, including aircraft type and aircraft weight, landing time and sound time, emission and noises. For information, noises is under landing charge fees. As the airport needs money to continue operating, there sure will be an increase in landing fees to recoup the losses caused by the pandemic. This could be seen at London Heathrow Airport, where they can charge up as much as £22 or $30.41 per passenger for the use of airport. This is already been approved by the CAA, Civil Aviation Authority there. Next, airline will be hesitant since they will need to raise the ticket price to compensate for the increased airport charge. With the little demand for flights, airline risks losing customers due to the rising cost of ticket costs. Next, for future analytical, because currently most European nations have withdrawn their travel ban limitation, so airline demand will be returned to normal back, and people will be buying more ticket flights to travel across the country. Not only that, in Malaysia, domestic flight is currently available. For next, airline will be able to increase their earning, and there will be no more flight ticket cancellation that need refund to passengers, as the travel limitation have been lifted up, and people can travel to another countries, but they still need to obey the rule there or on the country they visited, such as wearing face mask, physical distancing, and so on. Next, not only that, but airline will able to pay the hefty landing fees once their operations stabilize. Government aids for the airlines. Government around the world have provided USD 227 billion in support, which include direct aid with subsidies and various tax relief to the aviation industry, which is available in ICAO statements, which has been stated in ICAO statement. Next, Malaysian government also has announced a 20 billion of support in 2020 economic stimulus package to mitigate the economic impact of the COVID-19 outbreak for the airlines. In the stimulus package, there is a rebate on rental of premises at airport, as well as landing and parking charges to be given by Malaysian Airport Holding Berhad. Although Malaysian Airport Holding Berhad will have loss on their side, but This will be nice for the airline since they will not have to pay the actual price that have been decided to land on the airport in Malaysia. Okay,